Module 3. Lesson 3. Topic 2: Clear formatting. Sometimes, when you're working with Excel, you'll need to remove all formatting from cells. Maybe it's because you've inherited a workbook from someone else who had completely formatted the workbook to give it an oceanside beach hut vibe. You might not find that style in poor taste, but perhaps your style is more cabin in the woods. So, you want to start over with fresh, unformatted cells to apply completely different formatting to the worksheet. Excel has commands that allow you to clear certain aspects of cells. For example, if you select cells and press the delete key on your keyboard, you're not actually deleting cells. The delete key is the keyboard shortcut for the clear contents command, so you're clearing the contents of the cell while keeping the cell and its formatting. Like the clear contents command, the clear formats command clears formatting but leaves contents. The clear all command clears the contents and the formatting. Thank you for watching. See you in the next module. Managing tables and range data. Keep learning.